want to show you something real quick. Then I got to go to the board. Okay. Now, 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 3 equals 9. Okay. I got 3 going across the top and 3 going across the side. When a number is multiplied by itself, the product is called a square number. We said a product is the answer to a multiplication. Factor times a factor equals a multiple or product. 3 times 3 equals 9. When you draw or paint using your hands and fingers as brushes, it is called finger painting. Do not lick your fingers or you'll have a purple tongue. Now, I want to pause real quick and talk about square numbers. Now, unfortunately, I can't talk about square numbers right now with my rectangles here. It has to actually be a square number. Okay, but guess what? It involves area and it involves multiplication. Here is my perfect example right here, if you can see this on the board. Okay, if you can see this on the board right here, this is a 2 by 2. Okay, and it makes a perfect square. This is something, this is 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade right here. This is our perfect square, 2 by 2, or 2 times 2, which will give us 4. Now, I like this, and I'm showing you this because in 5th grade, they talk about this when they talk about patterns. So I'm going to attempt to do this, but I'm not the best artist. All right, here we go. We're going to go here. All right. This is a 2 by 2, which equals 4. Okay, and what I'm talking about right now are these things called perfect squares. Okay, and I'll be doing another video with another book later on with this too. All right, the next one would be a 3 by 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, which is a 3 by 3. Okay? 3 times 3 will give us 9. So we got a perfect square here and a perfect square here. All a perfect square means is that the length and the width are both the same. Next one. A 4 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. This is now a 4 by 4. And that gives us 16. So we got our 2 by 2. All these are perfect squares. One, 2. This is 5 by 5. 3, 4, 5. There we go. Go ahead and multiply 5 by 5 for me and tell me what you get. Count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Good job. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Because that's 5 times 5. If we look at this as the area, that's 5 by 5, and it forms an actual square. Because technically, when we say 5 by 5, that means that both the length and the width are going to be the same. All right. Let's try 6 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. See, can you multiply and tell me what 6 multiplied by 6 is? What are we talking about right now? We're talking about perfect squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 6 will give us 36. And 5 times 5 give us 25. When we talk about perfect squares, that means the top and the side are both the same. These are area models, and what they do, they make a square. The top and the bottom work together to make a square.